Okay, so y'all know when y'all order y'all parts online, right? You know, you get the delivery date, you pay for it and everything, and the day finally comes to get your part, and it comes at the end of the day. Well, that was me today. I was expecting my wheels to come in early in the morning. You know, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock went by, 2 o'clock, 3, all these hours are going by, and I still haven't got my wheels. Well, I had to go to an appointment around 5 o'clock. And as I'm at this appointment, I get the alert on my phone that my wheels are here. So I had to drive all the way back home to get to the wheels just so I can show y'all. I haven't opened the box yet. I'm going to open it on this video so y'all can see what company I got my wheels with, the size of my wheels and everything. And, you know, we can go from there. So let's get to the video. So as you can see behind me, here go my wheels. They still in the box. I haven't opened them yet. These wheels are from XO Luxury Wheels. They're under the company TSW Alloy Wheels. If you know, follow me on my Instagram and stuff, you will know the wheels I have on my car are from TSW Alloy Wheels. And they now have 9 different companies under them who sell wheels as well. So my wheels I got are from XO Luxury Wheels. I'm going to leave their information in the link below. I'm going to go ahead and open this box so y'all can see the wheels. And we can talk about them. So let's do it. Go ahead and set this camera down. And let's open them up. All right, so here we go. I'm about to open the wheels for the first time. Y'all about to see these wheels with me for the very first time. I'm nervous, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm nervous to open these wheels. I have seen them before online, but I haven't seen it in person. I've never seen them in person. Real excited, so let's go ahead and do it. Oh man. Yo, look man, these wheels are dope as fuck. I'm not even gonna lie to you. You know what? These wheels actually remind me, now that I see them in person, they kind of remind me of the Z28 wheels that you see most Camaros have. This is good. You know, it's something different. I'm pretty sure most people don't have these wheels, man. Man, these wheels are nice. You can see it comes in a matte black color. But before I go into detail on the wheels, I kind of want to do a slow-mo video so we can get a real good perspective on how these wheels look. Let's do it. Alright, so there we have it. Let's go ahead and hop into the different dimensions and colors and everything like that. All the details on these wheels. Oh, our damn dog is inside. Look at. Why are you looking so scary? Say hey to the camera. You don't want to say hey? Hazel. Sit. Look at you. You so smart, girl. You so smart, girl. Yeah. Let me go ahead and let my dog inside. Come on, let's go. Okay, so now that we got that out the way, the name of these wheels are called Helsinki Wheels, and I got them from XO Luxury Wheels. I'm going to leave the information in the link below so you can go to their website and look at the variety of wheels that they have on their site. But again, I have mine in a matte black finish, and most likely I am going to get this powder coated gloss black because I do like that gloss black finish. And the reason why I didn't get them gloss black because they don't have it. The other two colors that they have are bronze and I believe it's silver. Don't quote me on that, but I think those are the other two colors that they have for these particular wheels. Now this wheel size is 20 by 9 for the front and 20 by 10 and a half for the rear. And they gave me some, I'm guessing these are center caps that they gave me. I haven't opened it yet. Let's go ahead and see how these look real quick. Okay, so it's the same color. It has that matte black finish, and as you can see, well, I don't know how good you can see it on the camera, but it says XO Luxury on the wheels, and it got the XO symbol in the middle. So yeah, like I said, these particular wheels right here, the ones that you actually see, these are 20 by 9. Yeah, these are 20 by 9 wheels. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the other 3 boxes, and I'm going to compare the wheels side by side, the 20 by 9 and the 20 by 10 and a half, so you can see the difference on these wheels. Okay, so on the left, we have the 20 by 10 and a half, and on the right, we have the 20 by 9s. So clearly you can see the difference between the two wheels. The left side is definitely bigger than the right side. You look at this gap right here, this wheel compared to that one, you can definitely see the difference. So the bigger wheels, of course, I don't got to explain this to y'all, but the bigger wheels will go on the rear and the smaller wheels will go on the front. So I'm gonna stand it up for you. Now, if I stand it up and I zoom in, you can't see the difference because I'm blocking out that gap at the top of the wheels. But yeah, that's basically it. So real quick, I do want to go back and correct myself. Earlier in the video, I did talk about how these wheels came in 2 different colors. One of those colors are not a part of the package, and that's the silver color. They do have bronze in the Helsinki wheels, but they do not have silver. The other color that they have is electric blue, and that only comes in certain sizes. So I recommend going to their website to see what sizes you can get that electric blue color in. And real quick, I do want to give a huge shout out to Scott from TSW Alloy Wheels for introducing me to these wheels. And look, man, I'm excited. I thank you for everything that you've done for me. Now, also, I do want to mention that XO Luxury Wheels are coming out with 9 different styles of wheels for their 2019 package. These wheels, Helsinki, are included, and they have 8 other styles that you can choose from. I'm excited. Again, I'm going to leave the information to those. Matter of fact, I'll just leave the information to the website in the description below, so that way y'all can click on that link and go through all the wheels that XO Luxury Wheels have to offer. Again, I want to thank y'all for tuning in to this unboxing video. If you like this video, please drop a like, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be bringing y'all more content, more vlogs, more videos, and I hope y'all enjoy them. Again, thank you for watching, and y'all have a good day.